Got this cheap little Trangia imitation alcohol burning stove off of the Temu. It was about £6 and came with a cook pot stand and a little bag and everything, but it's a bit big, it's a bit spilly potentially. So I was thinking of different ways you could probably do that, because it's just a receptacle for the meths, isn't it? So and a couple of other people I've seen online have made homemade little alcohol stove out of a small tin, like a 20-gram Vaseline tin. It's an old one here, and I have just had a look, because I might make a couple more. You can get these for £1.09 off of Amazon as of the end of April 2025. So just get all the rest of the Vaseline out of there, do what you want with it, you know. Let's give the tin a good wash out with some soap and water. Spick and span. Okay, so you've got your clean little 20-gram Vaseline tin. There's a couple of things you can use to make the wick. I bought this 3 meters of 10mm diameter stove rope off of Amazon. It was £1.97, and I could make a ton of these little stoves with that. All you've got to do is coil your stove rope round in there, nice and tight and snug. I'm going to cut that about there. This is basically fiberglass rope, so it won't burn. Used to seal fireplace doorways. So yeah, let's get that back in there. Coil it round, press it in nice and tight. It's not ever so neat, but that'll do, and that's basically it. And you get your alcohol, a bit of meths, you pour it in. That's it, that's your stove. And that's it, that's lit, that's burning. I've done a few little tests on this. I cooked some sausages in the woods with the boys today, and it was plenty enough for doing that. Burns for sort of in the wind. Obviously wind highly affects it. Alcohol stoves will blow out in strong gusts of wind, and it massively decreases the usable cooking time in strong wind. But with a pot stand and a windbreak around it, you can get water to hot enough to make a brew and hot enough to heat up a little dehydrated meal or something. Dead cool. You can either blow it out or just use the lid to sniff it out. There you go. Burns for anything from between 6 and kind of 10 minutes. 20 gram cools down quite quickly. 20 gram tub, so what's that? About 20 mils of fluid in there, I guess. Dead cool. Super light, dirt cheap to make. £1 for the tin, £2 for the stove rope, and whatever you pay for your meths. So this Temu stove on its own weighs 106 grams. This one with about sort of 20 mils of meths in weighs 37 grams on its own. I think these are about 26 grams. So yeah, 11 grams of fuel in there. Really cool, really an easy and cheap to make little alcohol stove, because hexamine is illegal since 2023. So it's a good alternative for a little bit of cooking, camp cooking, food prep, making a brew or what have you. Alcohol stoves are really susceptible to wind, but they burn really cleanly, so don't make a ton of smoke, don't make a ton of mess on your pot. Cool, love that. What do you reckon? Another cool thing about this as well is that with a normal alcohol burner like a Trangia, if you knock that over, you're spilling burning liquid all over the deck. If you knock this over, the rope's contained in the tin, so once the top liquid is burnt away, then you're not going to be spilling hot liquid all over the deck. Nice little safety bonus.